Murari Gupta.
Oh.
That is Murari Gupta is the incarnation of Hanuman. And here is Murari. Murari Gupta, different persons. Understand?
Murari female or male? Murari.
Murari male.
Male.
The incarnation of Hanuman is who? Murari Gupta.
Murari Gupta.
Okay.
Incarnation of
Hanuman.
And here is Murari, the brother of Madhavi Devi.
Okay, Gurudev.
Huh? Pardon?
They used to live in that place.
Here, Murari Gupta, Utkalvasi, Devulkaran, Sikhi Maiti, Konishta Bhrata, so Murari Maiti. Here, their title is Maiti, not Gupta. Murari Maiti.
Mighty. Murari Mighty.
Murari Mahiti.
Devi's brother.
Madhavi's brother.
Madhavi Devi's brother.
Madhavi Devi's brother.
Yeah.
And also Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's intimate
Yeah,
associate.
intimate associate.
He is the one of them.
Ah.
明白了吗？三个棒经灭棒随着其中一个是出班来他的那一个，然后那李देवी呢是他的姐。
Sikhi Maiti, Murari Maiti, Tinjan Vadar, Tinjan Viva Sugar Bhav, Madhavi Devi, Sikhi Maiti, Bhagini, Siradhar, Dasin Modi, Jarna, Gani, Sikhi Maiti. So the Rayamananda, Sikhi Maiti, Sarup Goswami, Sikhi Maiti, Bhagini, Arthur. Madhavi Devi, she is Krishna Lila, that is called Kalakeli Devi Manjari. Kalakeli. Kalakeli. Manjari, not maybe, but not mentioned the Manjari. Gopi. Everybody Manjari. Who wants to become Manjari? Not sure. Not sure. He's saying not sure.
You want to be Manjari, but we are very far away.
Don't forget, you have Sarup is there. Huh? Potency is there. If you planted the mango seed, so what will come? Mango plant will come. Understand? Then one day mango tree, then mango fruits come. And if you have the potency of Karela should be. Then Karela plant will come. Then Karela will come. If you are believe or not, you have already. Nitya Siddha Krishna Prem Sadhya Kabunai Sravanadi Suddha Chitte. You have already. Huh? He's saying not you.
No self-realization.
Chant holy name, self-realization, come. I know. Okay, so we'll not take too much time here. So now we have come. Prabhu, come here. You are senior most.
No, it's you directly.
Oh, direct you say. Sabda Brahma or Sabda Samanna? So, Raya Ramananda Katha, very important. And this is the heart of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Gurudev told Srimad Bhagavatam, 10th canto, there are the 5 chapters, they are called 5 life years. They are called Pancha Prana. You understand? Pancha Prana, 5 life years. In our body, how many life years? Who knows?
5.
10. You read my Gopi Geet, everything I explained here. And if you read my Gopi Geet, you will be Mahapandit. But 5 is very prominent. So in the same way, Srimad Bhagavatam, 10th canto, and 29th chapter to 33 chapter, that is called Pancha Prana, and 39 to 33.
29 to 30.
29.
33 chapter.
and 29 chapter to 33 chapter. That is called the Pancha Prana. And even I will explain my Gopi Gita. Which slok is Pancha Prana, which is everything here. Pan, Upan, Bayan, Vedan, everything is there. If you read my Gopi Gita preface, everything is also clarified. This thing. So now coming in this way, so Gurudev he told in Chaitanya Chaitamritam 5 chapters is very important. That is called Pancha Prana. That is called Adi Lila 4th chapter. That is the very important. This is discuss about Radha Tattva. Then Madhya Lila also 8th chapter. That is called Raya Ramananda Sangbad. Then it is called 13th chapter, Madhya Lila 13th chapter or 14th chapter. That is the called the Raya Ramananda. That is called Ratha Jatra Prasanga. This thing. Ratha Jatra. Because this is very highest mood of Srimati Radhika. Mahaprabhu manifested in front of Lord Jagannath. Then Rupa Siksha and Sanatana Siksha, the teaching of Rupa Goswami Pad and teaching of Sanatana Goswami Pad. And then 14th chapter, Antalila 14th chapter. And last 19th chapter of Chaitanya Antalila 19th chapter. Because in this chapter, very deep analysis on about the mood of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Now coming Raya Ramananda. Raya Ramananda, actual in Krishna Lila is the very near days of Sakhis of Srimati Radhika. That is called Visakha Devi. Saru Damodar is the Sakhis of Srimati Radhika. That is called Lalita Sakhi. In that time told. Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained those who are very and fortunate living and entry, they will come in the group of Lalita. So for the Bhaktivinoda Thakur sang the Lalita Sakhira Ajoga Kinkori Vinodo Dhori Chepayo Lalita Sakhira Ajoga Kinkori Vinodo Dhori Chepayo. So now comes the Raya Ramananda, also very near the Sakhis of Srimati Radhika. That is called Visakha Sakhis. Actually, all they have come from Golok, Vrindavan and transcendental world and helping the preaching of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And one day I told how Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu discussed about his Sotadip Leela, sweet drama. This thing. So Visakha Devi, it's very important, Visakha Devi. Visakha, she is the same mood of Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika's Mridu Sabhava, very soft and hard. In the same way, Visakha Devi, she will same mood of Srimati Radhika. And same day, Visakha Devi and Radhika was born. Lalita Devi, she is 27 days and older than Srimati Radhika. But Visakha Devi is the same mood and same age of Srimati Radhika. For this regard, Srimati Radhika and Visakha Devi so close bosom friend. Friend means on the same mood, same music. Visakha Devi is very near dear. So for this regard, always Visakha and Lalita staying to Srimati Radhika. Visakha's duties is have to pacify to Srimati Radhika when Srimati Radhika she felt pang of separation from Krishna. And Lalita Devi she also pacified to Srimati Radhika, but her activities role is what? And how to protect to everybody. She is the controller. These things. And especially she controls to Krishna. Because Krishna is very stupid nonsense. It's very come very close, so chastisement. But Lalita Devi she is very soft-hearted also. External she is very hard, and internal heart is very soft. So for this regard, our Goswami Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained, we learn all kinds of lesson from Lalita, Visakha and other Sakhis. They sing, Allo dasi kari Lalita Sundari, Amare loya kabe, Siradhika pade kale me lai re, Agga seva samarpive, Agga seva samarpive, Agga seva samarpive, Amare loya kabe, Visakha pade Sangita sikhiva Krishna lila samaya Siroti At the lotus feet of Visakha I shall learn. Understand? Abandoning with the nectar of Krishna's pastime. Siroti Manjari, Rasa Manjari and others will be very compassionate to me. This thing. This because Visakha Devi is very expert of musical instruments. For this regard, Bhaktivinoda Thakur. If you go, whatever you are learning, then when you will go transcendental world in Krishna Prakat Lila, you have to learn everything again.
Again.
This is how you are learning only physically. Or when you come, when you get the transcendental form, Siddha Deha, then you associate with eternal associate of Srimati Radhika. Lalita, Visakha, they will give proper training to you. Understand? Without training, you cannot do anything. If you have no train to cook, how to cook? Ask your honor woman, he cooks very nicely. She cooks proper salt, he saying no salt, give more salt. She put the salt proper way, then he tells no salt, then put it. Should not taste it.
My taste of no salt is nice. That day was very hot.
Nice person. I could be. So, for this regard, here saying, everything, this musical instrument learned from Visakha. Visakha means, actually all the Sakhis of Srimati Radhika, they are the expansion of Srimati Radhika's one mood. Understand? They try to understand who is Lalita. Srimati Radhika herself manifested in the form of Lalita. What is the form of Srimati Radhika? Srimati Radhika's one mood, that is the Lalit mood. Lalit mood, very nice, beautiful mood. That name is called Lalit mood. That Lalit mood of Srimati Radhika manifested in the form of Lalita Sakhi. Visakha, who is Visakha? Then Jogma manifested in the form of Visakha Devi. Rupa Manjari, who is Rupa Manjari? Srimati Radhika's beautiful form. And then manifested in the form of Rupa Manjari. Achinta Shakti there. There is in transcendental world that is called inconceivable potency. In the inconceivable potency for the desire for Krishna Seva, Srimati Radhika, she manifested many forms. Though Srimati Radhika, she can fulfill all the desires of Krishna. But without many consort, Krishna will not happy. For this regard, for the Krishna's pleasure, Srimati Radhika, she manifested many Sakhis. Actually, all these Sakhis are not different from Srimati Radhika's mood. Understand? And even Srimati Radhika manifested her anger mood. The form that is called Jotila and Kutila. Who is Jotila Kutila? Because without anger, the prem will be not increased. And for this regard, Jogma she arranged this way. Understand? This way. Even Chandravali, who is what? All the Ananda Chinma Rasa Pradibhavi Sarvyo Nijo Rupa Taya Kaladhi. Here Jiva Goswami Pad Brahma Samhita explained all the Sakhis of Srimati Radhika and even those who are rival of Srimati Radhika, who is Chandravali? Srimati Radhika herself manifests in the form of Chandravali. Because without rival, prem will be not increased. Huh? Understand? Because Srimati Radhika, she is the embodiment of Sarup Shakti. And Sarup Shakti, she creates these things. Eh? So Chaitanya Charitamrita Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explains, Jatapi Srimati Radhika, though Srimati Radhika can fulfill all the desires of Krishna, but Bahukam tam bina nahi rasera ullas, without many consort, these rasas will not, what is called? Increase. And the water of the ocean, and not beautiful. When the waves coming, then you can see how the beautiful form of the ocean. At least waves is not different from ocean. And ocean, a waves is coming from which word? Ocean. And again enter in the ocean. And in the same way, according to this Leela, Jogmaya, she arranged everything. Srimati Radhika, and she fulfilled all the desires of Krishna and manifested many forms. Because Shastra says, Eko meva advityam, he is only one. But he manifests many forms. Why? Without Leela. Eko aham bahusami. And Krishna always remains with his potency. One potency actually. What the one potency? Sarup Shakti. Internal potency. So again also Krishna is saying, Sarup Shakti Savar Upari. Sarup Shakti, internal potency, that is the highest. And all this internal potency, Sarup Shakti is manifesting form of Srimati Radhika. That is called Radhini Shakti. Premer Sar Bhav, Bhaver Sar Mahabhav, Mahabhav Sarupini, Radha Thakurani. Radhini Shakti Sarupini Srimati Radhika. Radha Ananda. Why Srimati Radhika is Krishna? Krishna re kare Ananda. Then Srimati Radhika, she gives pleasure to Krishna. For this regard, Radhini. Radhini Shakti Sarupini Srimati Radhika. So Vishakha Devi now is here in the form of Rai Ramananda. Acting this role actually. Rai Ramananda, when he was in this place, and he was the governor of South India of King Prataprudra. But before he was staying in here Jagannath Puri, and King Prataprudra, he was very pleased with Rai Ramananda. Rai Ramananda, though he was only governor, but he was Rasik, Vaishnava also. And in the assembly of the Pandit Sabha, mostly he talked about Gopi Katha and Rasla Katha. When he used to speak, then he had to speak about Gopi's Katha. Understand this thing? How Gopi they perform Ras dance, and these things, many things are he already. So Sarvabhattacharya, he told, that time we were Brahmavadi. Brahmavadi, they don't want to speak any mundane talk, not talking about sexual things. But Rai Ramananda, most of his katha, he spoke about Gopi's katha. Oh, Krishna stole the cloth of the gopis, joked with the gopis, this thing, Krishna doing this lila with the gopis, Ras lila. And Prabhuji also told very nice, beautiful katha in there. And this your dream is coming in the heart of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Krishna is playing Ras dance with the gopis. Ras lila is going on this. All Ras lila. And in the same way, Rai Ramananda, and in his any lecture, Hari Katha, only he spoke about Gopi Katha. Why? Because if you eat that kinds of
burping.
Bopping, he's saying bopping. Cholo, I don't know.
Vodka.
Understand? So Rai Ramananda always he spoke about Gopi Katha. But those who are impartially Mayavadi Gyanis, they don't want to speak Gopi Katha, they want to listen the Gopi Katha. Gopi Katha means it's a sexual thing. But that is not sexual, that is mundane love, a transcendental love. But people, they cannot understand this is a transcendental love. This thing. But so Rai Ramananda, And always he speak because he is Rasik Vaishnava. But that time they did not understand. Radharanda, he was Rasik Vaishnava. And when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested his 6 arms in front of Sarva Bhattacharya, deliverance of Sarva Bhattacharya, then Sarva Bhattacharya realized how Radharanda, he was the great Rasik Vaishnava. So for this regard, Sarva Bhattacharya, he told to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Prabhu, you are going to South India, but you have to meet with Rai Ramananda. Before, when you meet with Rai Ramananda, and we also criticize to Rai Ramananda, why Ramananda is speaking about gopi, 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 gopi? Krishna, gopi, their sexual things. But now your causeless mercy, we realize Rai Ramananda is the great Vaishnava. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came in Kobur on the bank of Godavari. Then he met with Rai Ramananda. Understand? Rai Ramananda. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu discussed about Krishna Katha. This thing Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami very nicely explained in Chaitanya Charitamrita. Prabhu kahe pada slok sadhere nirnay Ras Rai kahe sadharmacharane Vishnu bhakti hai. Varnashram acharata bata purusena parapuman Vishnu aradhate pantha nannat tattu sukharanam. If you want to become human being, you have to follow the rules and regulations of the society. And cats, dogs, cows, they have no any rules and regulations in society. They are completely shameless. Nirlajja. Nirlajja, understand?
Without shame.
Shameless. In the street, just doing bad things also. 1,000 people they are passing, they also are doing bad things. You are a human being. You should not do these bad things. Understand? So for this Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, he told, direct, you can read his speech. The Western culture that is called animal culture. He told direct. And Western culture is called animal culture. Why? Because in the street, and embracing, kissing, these are embracing, kissing, not in the street. This is not a good thing, he said. This is not Vedic culture. Embracing, kissing, this is your right. You can do in your room. Not in the open place, public place. This is the public place. Who are doing? Cats, dogs, animals. You listen the lecture of Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj and Gaurabanda Goswami Maharaj also. Same. Heavy chastisement. Also a little bit of chastisement in Madhavi Devi place also. Should not do this. One can solve offense, dham aparad. Second, this is animal culture. For this Radharanda, first he started this place. If you want to become devotee, if you want to become human being, Vedas also say manusya bano. पहले तो मनुष्य बनो, पशु छोड़ करके मनुष्य बनो. मनुष्य बनने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए? वर्णाश्रम धर्म पालन करना चाहिए. Without marry, should not associate with the lady. You can marry because Shastra gives permission. You can marry. After marry, you can do your house, room, no problem. No one going to this way. This because you have registered license. You have license. And without license, you will drive the car. Then police will give punishment or not?
Yes.
This is the rules. And when you marry, that your license comes. And Vedas give license. Then, and that license also should not in the public place also.
Oh, yes.
Yes. Understand?
Conditions.
Misuse.
Terms and conditions.
Terms and conditions. So, Radharanda first slok there. Varnasam acharadavata purusena parapuman Vishnu aradhate pantat nanna tattu sukaranam. And one who follows the rules and regulations of Varnashram Dharma, then Lord Vishnu will please. Understand? Understand? First understand, you have to follow the rules and regulations of Varnashram Dharma. You are Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, Brahmachari, Grihastha, Banprastha and Sannyasi. And do bhajan and sadhana. Any ashram, you can stay any ashram and chant holy names. Sarv Guru and Vaishnavas. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Then Mahaprabhu told, Yohavajya agi karo bhagavan. Mahaprabhu told, this is external. Why? Because this is not the Sarupanandi vritti of the soul. Only following the Varnashram dharma, this is not the spontaneous nature of your soul. What is the nature of the soul? Jiva Sarupa Krishna. You are the eternal servant of Krishna. This is your Sarup dharma. That is called Jiva Sarupānubandhi vritti. Remember this Sanskrit word. What did he say? Jiva Sarupānubandhi vritti. Jiva Sarupa, the spontaneous nature of the soul, and serve to Krishna. Krishna Seva. This is the actual why Mahaprabhu told this is external. But because this is external, because only you follow the Varnashram dharma, not do bhajan and sadhan to Krishna, useless. For this regard, Anand again explain this. Chari Varnashrami jadi Krishna nahi bhaje, sasa karma kurite sai narake pori maje. One who only follows the Varnashram dharma, but not chanting holy names, not doing bhajan and sadhan, after his death, he will go hell. Understand? यदि केवल वर्णाश्रम धर्म पालन कर लिया, ठीक है मैं ब्रह्मचारी गृहस्थ किंतु यदि कृष्ण नाम नहीं किया तो मरने के पश्चात कहाँ जाना पड़ेगा? नरक में जाना पड़ेगा. इसलिए करें चारि वर्णाश्रमी यदि कृष्ण नहीं भजे ससकर्म करिते सही नरक भजी मजे नरक पड़ी. यार क्लियर डिफरेंस. यू विल गो टू हेल, नरक.
उनको नियम पालन करने का फल नहीं मिलेगा उनको.
क्या मिलेगा? स्वर्ग में जाएगा, फिर आएगा नरक में जाएगा. एक बार स्वर्ग में जाएगा, फिर नरक में जाएगा. चार तो नियम पालन कर लिया, यदि कृष्ण नाम नहीं किया तो स्वर्ग में जाएगा. से स्वर्ग से तुम भुक्ता स्वर्ग लोगों विशालम क्षीण पुण्य पुण्य मर्त लोगों विसंति. स्वर्ग से आना पड़ेगा नहीं. आ करके कहाँ जाए? कहाँ रहेगा? नरक में जाएगा. उन्नति किया. हम संसार में जो भी काम करते हैं, कुछ पाप कर्म भी कर लेते, पुण्य कर्म कर लेते. एक व्यक्ति केवल पुण्य कर्म करते कि एक व्यक्ति केवल पाप कर्म करते, ऐसी बात नहीं है. Only you are not committing sinful activities, or only you are not committing pious activities. Both are simultaneously going to. Sometimes you do pap karma, sometimes you are doing punya karma. According to punya karma, going heavenly planet, then come back in this material world. Then you have to go to hell, narak, because you committed sinful activities. So how to free from pap and punya karma? Chanting holy name. Just like coming. Gyane prayase mudavassanamante evam jivanti sammukhamritam bhavadyavartam sthane sthita sutigadang tanuvang nobhi jo prayasu ajito jito pisto isto lokkam brahma jito. If where you are staying in your varna ashram, you are brahmachari, stay brahmachari ashram. You are grihastha, you can stay grihastha ashram. You are sannyasi, you are brahman. But what will do? Chant holy name, sadhana. Do bhajan and sadhan, this is important. And if you know bhajan and sadhan, the life is useless. Understand? This is important. So Mahaprabhu, say Radhananda, he quoted this verse, Gyane prase mudavasya namantevam. Give up all kinds of knowledge. How many types of knowledge? Could you remember? 3 types of knowledge. Tatpadartha gyan, tampadartha gyan, jiva brahma aikya gyan. The knowledge about soul, the knowledge about Lord, the knowledge about and oneness with Brahma and soul. Jiva Brahma Aikya Gyan. The Jiva Brahma Aikya Gyan, the Shankar philosophy, should be rejected. Atma Gyan, knowledge about your soul. Understand? You have to inquire about your soul. Who are you? You are Bhuta. Bhuta. Bhuta means Atma. Bhuta. Or Bhuta means ghost. Now you are ghost. Pisachi Parijan Buddhichan.
We are demons. We are eating meat, then we are demons.
Rakshas. Those are eating meat, cow's meat, they are called demon. But Ramananda, he told Gyane Prasik, Mudvasanamante. Give up all kinds of knowledge. But without knowledge, how will you develop your bhajan and sadhana?
Yes.
But for this regard, here Ramananda Shastra explained, when you come in the stage of bhav dasa, that knowledge transfer in bhav. Bhav will come. Now with knowledge. Knowledge coming, again. While you do bhajan and sadhana, this knowledge transfer in bhav. ज्ञान भाव में रूपांतरित हो जाता है. रूपांतरित समझते हो? ट्रांसफर इन भाव. What is the भाव? Krishna is my beloved. Now saying Krishna is Bhagavan. Krishna is the supreme controller. When you come in the highest mood, then this knowledge transfer in bhav. What is bhav? Krishna is my beloved. Krishna is my son. Krishna is my friend. Look, knowledge transfer in bhav. This bhav is coming. Then bhav transfer in prem. Prem transfer in rasa. Premananda rasananda. ज्ञाने प्रासे मदव सनुमंते जीवंत सर्वकृतां भवद्य वार्तां स्थाने स्थिता श्रुतिगतां तनुमांग नभी जो प्रयासे अजितो जीतो विस्तृत. Then Mahaprabhu replies, because listen Hari Katha, this is the spontaneous nature of your soul. आत्मा के स्वरूप वृत्ति क्या है? भगवत कथा श्रवण. Why? Because soul loves
Hari Katha.
super soul. माने भगवान. You want to listen whose katha?
Only Krishna.
If you love to whom?
Beloved.
Your telephone, why you using telephone? When you are waiting for when your
beloved will call you.
will call you. Are stupid nonsense. Your telephone should be wait for Krishna. Krishna call. Take my number. Krishna number.
When will Bal Maharaj call me?
For this regard, I am not keeping any telephone. Understand?
You're cheating us.
You have heart phone.
Heart phone.
Heart phone. Hari Bol.
Understand?
Haribo.
Because when I will listen the sound of the flute of Govinda and Utkarnam, because if you go Golok Vrindavan, then you also learn 5 types of subject. 5 प्रकार शिक्षाएं ऊपर दी जाती है. समझ में आ रही है?
5 तरह की सब्जेक्ट.
उसकी कॉलेज में and in the college of Srimati Radhika, then you have to learn 5 subjects. How many subjects? 5 subjects. First subject, Karna Karnikaram Sakinam Vijayanam Prajas Stuti Kriya. Karna Karninam. How to speak with a whispering. Everybody and whisper. Understand? Speak. Karna Karning Sakinam Vijayanam Duti Stuti. And confidential place, lonely place, then you can discuss with Srimati Radhika or Krishna and discuss these things. And glorify to each other. If Srimati Radhika did man, then in front of Srimati Radhika you glorified about Krishna. Or in front of Krishna you glorify about Srimati Radhika. Munindra Vinda Pandite Tilakasu Kaharini Prasanna Bhaktra Pankaje Nikunjabu. Who is going? And this is the glorification of Srimati Radhika. In front of Krishna, Krishna will praise. Are you also glorified about Krishna in front of
Srimati Radhika.
Srimati Radhika? What do you do? Nalam. Munindra. Then Srimati Radhika should be pleased with you or not. This is the nature. If you love someone and you are very eager to listen about his glorification, यदि आप जिसको प्रेम करते हो, प्रीति करते हो, उसकी कथा सुनना चाहते हो कि नहीं चाहते हो? ना चंद्रावली की कथा सुनो,
नहीं
ना जोटिला कुटी की कथा सुनो. जोटिला कुटिला कुट 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 करेगा. कुट कुट कथा कोई सुनता है कोई? No. You love to whom you have to listen.
Their subject. Listen to their katha.
Karnakaryang Sukineno Vijayeno Stuti. Our third lesson, Badhirjo, Guru Janeno. If a superior person, when they give some instruction, and that time you will be completely what? Deaf. Deaf हो जाता नहीं क्या बोलते हैं? कान में सुनता ही नहीं है, कान में घुसता ही नहीं है. And only yes. अरे अनंग मोहन yes. सुनता ही नहीं है. मैंने कहा जगन्नाथ दर्शन बंद हो गया उधर, फिर महाप्रभु इधर आ गए अलानाथ के दर्शन के लिए. बोले महाप्रभु के दर्शन करने के लिए आए, इसमें मतलब कुछ सुना ही नहीं है. अरे उधर तो जगन्नाथ जी के बंद हो गया कि नहीं बंद? जगन्नाथपुरी में जगन्नाथ जी के तो 2 हफ्ते तक कॉर्ड बंद हो गया, इसलिए महाप्रभु जगन्नाथपुर के छोड़ करके कहाँ गए? अलानाथ में आ गया. अरे हमारे फिर दोबारा मतलब कुछ सुना ही नहीं है. जो स्टूपिड नॉनसेंस प्रश्न करते हैं इसको समझ ले चाहिए वो कोई काम का नहीं है, सुनता ही नहीं है ये. और कोई चिंता कर रहे थे. हाँ, इसलिए उसी प्रकार गोपियां क्या करते? गोपियां तो कृष्ण की चिंता करती रहती है, और उनके सुपीरियर से जो है ज्ञान देना शुरू कर दिया. अरे तू चेस्ट लेडी हो, रात में कहीं जाना अकेली जाना नहीं चाहिए, ये करना चाहिए. ये तो सुनता ही नहीं है, केवल सिर को ऐसे yes I will not go into Kamala says yes Gurudev.
But Gurudev, I should listen to you.
You are good, eh? Or fourth, what is that? Sakijana Vyavastiti Jnana Suddhi. Cheating the husband. This is very important. How to cheat the husband?
Cheating the family members.
Cheating the family, mother, father, and all the children. How to cheat? And fourth, fifth, Utkarnam, Venu, Runidorgan. Their ears always were stung. When the sound of the flute will come, then they will be run towards Krishna. Nisammagitam tadananga vardhanam brajastriyo. Sukdev Goswami. Nisammagitam tadananga vardhanam brajastriyo. When Krishna played the flute, the sound of the flute entered in their ears and they start to run. Even their father, mother, or husband stop. Hey, where are you going? But they did not listen. They are running. Because Krishna Grihita, Manasa Grihita, because their mind completely what? Stolen. Krishna. The Sangbad going on. Bolo, Rai Raman.